Hi everyone, today's presentation is about Masterclass. What is Masterclass? Masterclass is an online streaming service where celebrities and experts in their field make classes in video format to teach people about their trade. Each class will have about 20 lessons that are around 10 minutes each, which you can complete at your own pace. They have a wide variety of topics from various instructors, including Gordon Ramsay, James Patterson, and Margaret Atwood. Origins of Masterclass. Masterclass was created by David Rogier with the help of Aaron Rasmussen in 2015. David Rogier was inspired by his grandmother to create it after she told him, "Education is the only thing that someone can't take away from you." His grandmother had left Poland right before the Nazis invaded and wanted to go to medical school. She kept getting rejected, but kept trying. Eventually, she got accepted and became a doctor. David Rogier wanted to create a place where anybody could learn from someone knowledgeable. Why is Masterclass useful? It's educational entertainment, a great tool to learn a new hobby from someone skilled and are experienced in that area. You can learn something new or build on current skills. You can learn more about famous individuals and how they became successful. Available classes. They offer hundreds of different classes in the following categories: design and style, arts and entertainment, music, business, sports and gaming, community and government, science and technology, home and lifestyle, wellness, food, and also writing. How to access Masterclass. Masterclass can be accessed through the website. It can also be accessed through the app, which can be downloaded through the Google Play Store, the App Store, Amazon App Store, and the Roku Channel Store. How to sign up for Masterclass. You can sign up for Masterclass by going to their website or by using the app. To create an account, click the login button and press sign up or create an account. You can sign up for an account with your email address, Google account, Facebook account, or your Apple ID. Pricing. Masterclass costs $240 per year, which is $20 per month billed annually. It gives you access to all of their classes. There's also a duo plan for 2 people for $27 per month, and a family plan for up to 6 people for $30 per month. It is an expensive membership, but they also have a YouTube channel where small clips and trailers of their lessons. This is a good way to see what it is and decide if it's worth the money for you. Within 30 days of purchasing a membership, you can cancel your membership and receive a refund if you decide you don't want to keep it. How to find classes. Once a membership has been purchased, all of the classes on the service are available to view. You can browse the categories, search using keywords, look up a specific person, look at a list of all of the classes, or go to the Discover page. Browsing categories. Once you sign up and log in, there will be a list of categories at the top of the screen. You can click on any of these categories to see classes in that category. You can also find these categories by clicking the button that says Library. Browsing categories, the all categories. In the list of all the categories, there's a section called All. This will list out every class they offer. This is a great way to find classes that you wouldn't normally think to watch. Searching. In the library section, there is a search bar where you can search for classes. You can search based off of a keyword, example, creative writing, and it will give you a class that matches the keyword. You can also search for a specific celebrity you want to see, for example, Neil deGrasse Tyson. The Discover page. The Discover page is like the home page of Masterclass. It will show you the recent classes you've watched so you can continue watching them. It shows you the most popular classes available, and it gives recommendations on classes to watch based on the previous classes you started and completed. Examples of some classes. One of them is Chris Hadfield teaches space exploration. Another is Serena Williams teaches tennis. Annie Leibovitz teaches photography. And Alicia Keys teaches songwriting and producing. Adding classes. Once you find a class that interests you, you can add it to your list of classes. To add a class, you click on the class and then press the button that says Add. This is an easy way to keep track of the classes you're watching and to find them quickly when you want to watch them. Watching classes. Once you've found a class that interests you, you can click on it to watch it. Once you've clicked on the class, you can watch the trailer, start the class from the beginning by clicking the Start Class button, or select a specific lesson to watch by scrolling down. Class PDF. Most classes will have a PDF, which is a worksheet that can be downloaded. Each class has different resources in the PDF that relates to the class content. The PDF can be found at the bottom of the page below all of the lessons. Click Download PDF to save it to your device. My Progress section. The My Progress section shows what classes and lessons you've completed. It gives you suggestions for new classes you might like. There's a section that shows which classes you started but haven't finished, so you can revisit them. There's a section that shows you which classes you've already done so you don't accidentally repeat them. Gifting a membership. You can buy a membership for someone as a gift through their website. To buy a membership for someone else, go to the very bottom of the website and click on the gifts button. You will need to enter your email address and the email address of the person you are sending the gift to. They will receive the account through email. You can choose to gift the membership immediately or select a specific date for it to be sent. So now I will show you a live demo of the Masterclass website. At the top bar, you can see all the categories. For example, there's food. It shows different cooks. You could pick their class. Then there's a section called All Classes, where I'll show you a variety of different. One second. Okay, the options. I don't know why the option's not working, but and then there's trending, which the most famous master classes. There is just added, the most recent master classes that have been added to the website. There's coming soon, which masterclass that haven't been released yet, but are coming. And then there's most popular. And then these are the different categories of masterclass. So we went through food, the design and style. There is arts and entertainment. There's music. There's business, sports and gaming, writing, science and tech, home and lifestyle, community and government, and there's also wellness. Let's say you want to search for a specific masterclass, so you could just on the top there's a search bar. You press search. For example, I want to look for Gordon Ramsay. So you just see you search up his name and it's already there. And these are all his classes on the right. This is a trailer for Gordon Ramsay's masterclass. Now let's look at the plans that you could pick for masterclass. First is an individual plan. The monthly price is $20 per hour. I mean $20 per month, sorry. You could use this on one device. The duo is $27 per month, and you could use it on 2 devices. And the family one is 6 devices for only $30. So this is probably the best option. Yeah. That's the presentation for today. Yep. Thanks for listening. If you'd like to learn this lesson with a cyber senior mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call that number to register for a one-on-one phone session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time every Thursday. If you'd like to donate to Cyber Seniors, go to cyberseniors.org/support us.